As he's leaving, right before he gets to the edge of the house, I'm like, "Oh yeah, buddy." He goes, "You have fun." I'm like, "Oh yeah, I will. It's gay weekend." Woo! And then he just shook his head to the left. He was like, fucking with him, man, because he's always got some kind of a fucking comment to fucking comments.
Shit! Fuck! Damn! Pussy lick! Cock! Cock salt!
Oh, there you go.
This day just sucks.
Damn, how many minutes does that thing fucking take?
It's only 35 seconds right now.
Pretty good. Oh, they were
Dick cheese.
What?
Ass crust.